Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. But did you know that it also plays a vital role in many other functions in the body? In this video, we'll discuss the importance of getting enough calcium and the health benefits it provides. First and foremost, calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. Our bones act as a calcium reservoir, storing the mineral and releasing it into the bloodstream as needed. Without enough calcium, our bones become weak and brittle, which can lead to osteoporosis and fractures. But calcium does more than just strengthen bones. It also plays a critical role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. It even helps regulate the heartbeat. That's why it's important to get enough calcium throughout your life. Children and teenagers need calcium for proper bone development, while adults need it to maintain strong bones and prevent bone loss. Older adults, especially women, are at higher risk for osteoporosis and should pay particular attention to getting enough calcium. So, how much calcium do you need? The recommended daily intake for adults is 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams per day. You can get calcium from many different sources, including dairy products, leafy greens, fortified foods, and supplements. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, you can still get enough calcium by choosing non-dairy sources like fortified plant milks, tofu, and dark leafy greens. In addition to getting enough calcium, weight-bearing exercises like running, jumping, and weightlifting can also help keep bones strong and healthy. So, remember to include plenty of calcium-rich foods in your diet and get regular exercise to keep your bones and body healthy. Your future self will thank you.